Are you ready to upgrade your toolkit? Today, we're looking at 20 amazing tools on Amazon everyone should have. From unique gadgets and must-have tools to smart Amazon finds that make life easier. These are the coolest tools you never knew you needed. Perfect for your home, workshop, or everyday problem solving. Stick around, because some of these Amazon gadgets are total game changers. And don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon tools, gadgets, and amazing finds every week. Without further ado, let's dive in. Staying organized on the job site is crucial for maintaining efficiency, ensuring safety, and protecting valuable tools. The DEWALT Tool Box from the T-Stack Organizer range delivers a modular storage solution tailored to any trade, with 4 stackable units sold separately to build a customized system. Each unit is constructed from durable polypropylene to withstand tough job site conditions, while ball bearing slides ensure drawers open and close smoothly. For organization, it offers 2 drawer compartments with dividers, as well as removable cups with lids for small parts. Larger units provide spacious storage for power tools, customizable inserts for protection, and bi-material handles for comfortable carrying. Ideal for carpenters, electricians, HVAC installers, and contractors. Cutting branches, pruning trees, and handling DIY wood projects require a tool that is compact, safe, and powerful. The Hardell Mini Chainsaw delivers exactly that with its upgraded cordless 2-in-1 design, offering both 4-inch and 6-inch options for versatile cutting. Weighing just 3 pounds, this lightweight handheld chainsaw is easy to maneuver with one hand, making it ideal for precision pruning or working in tight spaces. Equipped with 2 large-capacity batteries, it ensures long-lasting performance. Safety is prioritized with a safety lock to prevent accidental activation, adjustable baffles to block sawdust, and protective gloves included. Quick to install and easy to use, it's a perfect gift for garden and DIY enthusiasts. Air pockets in concrete can weaken structures, so ensuring a smooth and solid pour is essential. The VISHIGH cordless concrete vibrating tool is designed to deliver professional results for home, garden, and small construction pouring work. Equipped with a powerful 21 volts, 2,500 mAh battery and digital battery power display, it offers long service life and fast charging for uninterrupted use. Its 5-foot-high, quality rubber shaft effectively eliminates air bubbles, strengthening concrete structures in stem walls, foundations, and other pours. Compact, portable, and brushless, this cordless vibrator is easy to handle, making it ideal for DIY builders or professionals seeking reliability, durability, and enhanced concrete finishing. Accurate alignment is crucial in construction, woodworking, and home projects to ensure professional results without costly errors. The WEIDDW Laser Level is a 360 self-leveling tool that projects highly visible green cross lines both vertically and horizontally for ultimate precision. With a self-leveling function, it saves time by automatically adjusting to deliver perfectly straight lines, eliminating manual corrections. Its one-button operation makes it user-friendly for beginners and professionals alike, while the compact ergonomic design ensures comfort and easy maneuverability. Featuring durable build quality, multiple mounting options, and long-distance projection, this tool guarantees reliability. The bright green laser remains clear in dim or bright environments, ensuring flawless accuracy every time. Building and maintaining reliable network connections requires precision, efficiency, and dependable tools. The Solsop Pass Crimp Toolkit delivers everything needed for Ethernet cable work, featuring a multi-modular RJ45 crimper that strips, cuts, and crimps Cat5, Cat6, and Cat7 cables, including pass-through connectors with dovetail clips. Its crimping shield cable function ensures compatibility with shielded and unshielded modular plugs, making it versatile for professional or home use. The upgraded network cable tester offers durability and a test range of up to 300 meters, ensuring accurate performance checks. compact, ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue with one-handed operation. The kit includes 50 Cat6 connectors, 50 boots, a mini wire stripper, and a user manual. Installing laminate or hardwood flooring requires precision, proper spacing, and the right protective tools for safety and efficiency. The Saker Laminate Flooring Tool Set is a comprehensive 107-piece kit designed to make flooring installation easier and more professional. It includes 100 flooring spacers, a tapping block with a handle, a pull bar, a 10-inch contour gauge with a lock, a rubber mallet, measuring tape, and protective knee pads. The upgraded 8-in-1 kit solves challenges from tight corners to irregular floor shapes. Durable spacers ensure stability, while the tapping block prevents hand injuries. The contour gauge accurately duplicates curved profiles, and the pull bar plus mallet securely tightens joints without damage. Perfect for DIY and professional flooring projects. Reliable electrical connections demand precision, durability, and ease of use. The Haisstronica crimping tools are specifically designed for heat shrink connectors, ensuring a secure 3:1 heat shrink ratio with sufficient hot melt adhesive to tightly grasp wires. Built for superior performance, these tools deliver a super strong connection when paired with Haisstronica wire connectors in various options and sizes. The Ratchet wire terminal crimper provides consistent, reliable crimps for insulated nylon and electrical wire connectors, while the ergonomic non-slip nylon handle ensures comfort during extended use. A quick release lever allows easy jaw opening, enhancing efficiency. For best results, pair these crimping tools with Haisstronica wire connectors for a perfect combination. Sometimes the unexpected happens, and having the right tool at hand can make all the difference. The LEATHERMAN Wave Plus multi-tool is an 18-in-1 full-size versatile multi-tool designed for DIY, home, garden, outdoors, or everyday carry. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this best-selling all-rounder weighs only 8.5 ounces, making it pocket-sized yet powerful. It includes essential tools like a saw, spring-action scissors, and a ruler, and now features premium replaceable wire cutters for long-term reliability. Engineered to withstand years of use, the Wave Plus reflects the innovation and perseverance of Tim Leatherman, empowering you to conquer both expected and unexpected challenges with ease. Reliable connections in copper tube installations demand a tool that combines strength, precision, and convenience. The IBOSAD crimping tool is designed for copper tube fittings and comes with 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch jaws, making it versatile for different pipe sizes. Built with a durable aluminum alloy body, it effectively prevents oil leakage and ensures long-lasting performance. Its hydraulic pressing system delivers powerful, secure crimps with ease, while the rotatable head enhances flexibility in tight spaces. Portable and user-friendly, this tool also includes a pipe cutter, making it an all-in-one solution. Engineered with safer materials, it supports efficiency and safety in every project. Getting pole-based construction done quickly and accurately requires a reliable system that eliminates unnecessary steps. The BoltStar Orange Bolt Template Tool is an innovative solution engineered to replace conventional wood templates with a reusable, efficient, and safer alternative. Designed to hold anchor bolts, rebar cages, and conduits securely in place during a concrete pour, it cuts labor time in half while delivering consistent results. Its integrated bubble levels ensure precise alignment, and the unique slots accommodate standard bolt patterns with ease. featuring patented arched arms for smooth finishing access. This durable tool saves time, reduces errors, and boosts productivity. Achieving smooth professional caulk finishes requires precision, efficiency, and comfort. The ALLWAY Caulk Tool CT31 is a versatile 3-in-1 solution designed for both removal and application of caulk. Made from engineered silicone plastic, it features a durable stainless steel caulk removal piece for quick stripping of old caulk. On the opposite end, a rotatable silicone rubber smoother offers 3 profiles, 1/8, 3/16, or 1/4 inch for precise application of new caulk. A built-in plastic scraper ensures easy cleanup of excess material. Ergonomically designed with a soft grip handle, this tool reduces hand fatigue, making the CT31 an ideal choice for professional-grade caulking, efficiency, and quality. Precision, versatility, and portability are essential for tackling a wide range of tasks efficiently. The NexTool Ratchet Wrench W4 is an 11-in-1 foldable multi-tool that combines an adjustable ratchet wrench with pliers, a knife, a saw, and a screwdriver in one compact design. Its on-off selector converts the standard wrench into a ratchet, while the spring-thickened adjusting knob reduces play for stability. Ratchet mode allows tightening or loosening nuts without repeatedly repositioning the tool. Lightweight at just 11 ounces, it features an ergonomic grip and comes with a durable nylon pouch. Perfect for camping, DIY, emergency repairs, or gifting, it delivers unmatched convenience and reliable performance. Efficient organization and easy mobility are essential for a productive workshop environment. The DEWALT Multi-Level Workshop is designed to streamline tool storage and create a functional workstation. Featuring a single pull-up latch, it allows quick and easy opening, while reinforced telescopic metal handles provide comfortable maneuvering. Heavy-duty wheels ensure smooth steering across the job site, and ball-bearing slides for effortless drawer operation. The workshop offers versatile storage. Large tools fit in the bottom bin, small parts are organized in the middle compartments, and frequently used items are easily accessible in the top toolbox. This system combines durability, convenience, and productivity for any professional or DIY workspace. Reliable and powerful lighting is crucial for outdoor adventures and emergencies. The MIXILIN Rechargeable Spotlight is a versatile, super bright LED flashlight designed for both outdoor and indoor use. With a 10,000 mAh long-lasting battery, it features a main light with 4 modes: high, medium, strobe, and SOS, and a side light with 3 modes, including a safety warning. The foldable tripod ensures stable hands-free use, while the USB-C fast charging and USB output port allow it to double as a power bank. Constructed from military-grade ABS and aluminum alloy, it is IPX6 waterproof, impact-resistant, and includes a power display and interchangeable color lenses for maximum adaptability. Accurately measuring angles is essential for precise construction, plumbing, and alignment tasks. The Klein Tool's Digital Level Angle Finder is a versatile instrument designed to detect and measure angles from 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees, with dual-axis bullseye ranges for X and Y axes. It comes pre-programmed with commonly used pitches: 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch per foot, and features an audible alarm that signals when the target angle is reached, with the LCD screen changing color for confirmation. The auto-rotating, high-contrast display enhances readability, while V-groove edges and a strong magnetic base allow secure attachment and precise alignment on ferromagnetic surfaces, conduits, and pipes. Efficiently dismantling structures and removing materials requires a versatile and powerful tool. The Stanley Fubar Demolition Bar is engineered for maximum functionality on demolition sites, combining striking, pulling, prying, chiseling, and chopping in one innovative design. Unlike traditional pry bars or demolition hammers, it features 3 strikeable surfaces: top, bottom, and rear, precision ground edges and a wide beveled end for secure footing while pulling apart framing, walls, flooring, and molding. Its P-shaped chisel end penetrates and pries materials, while multiple nail pullers offer excellent leverage. Constructed from forged, high-carbon alloy steel with a comfortable B-material grip, the Fubar delivers durability, safety, and efficiency and is backed. Demolition and flooring removal demand a tool that combines leverage, strength, and precision. The Gutster round-handle demolition bar is a 60-inch long, high-strength steel tool designed for maximum efficiency and ergonomics. Its sharp points pierce drywall and lift floor coverings, while the gap between points allows straddling joists and beams. The bent handle captures momentum, reducing wrist strain and enhancing leverage, and built-in wheels ease the removal of flooring, deck boards, and roof sheathing. Lightweight yet durable, it functions as a pry bar, demo bar, pallet buster, and floor removal tool. Trusted by contractors, firefighters, and DIY enthusiasts, it safeguards posture while tackling the toughest demolition tasks. Accurate leveling is essential for construction, woodworking, and precise installations. The Stanley FATMAX box beam levels deliver exceptional precision with an accuracy of 0.0005 inches per inch. Designed for versatility, they feature block, plumb, and 45-degree vials for multiple leveling applications, while the Max Edge Bridge Center Vial ensures continuous marking and durability. The magnified center block vial offers high readability, and removable end caps allow flush and continuous corner marking. Rare earth magnets provide ultimate holding power on metal surfaces, and the fold-out rafter hook offers convenient on-site storage. Built for professionals, these levels combine durability, accuracy, and ease of use for reliable performance in every project. The DEWALT Worksite Charger Radio combines robust audio performance with device charging capabilities, making it a versatile companion. Equipped with a USB power port and a standard 3mm auxiliary port, it allows you to charge cell phones, MP3 players, portable satellite radios, and other digital devices while keeping them protected from worksite debris. Ruggedly built for durability, the DEWALT Radio delivers reliable sound and power wherever you are. Perfect for construction sites or outdoor projects, this charger radio ensures your devices stay powered and your favorite music stays playing throughout the workday. That's our list of the 20 amazing tools on Amazon everyone should have. Which of these tools would you add to your collection first? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed discovering these cool Amazon tools, hit that like button, share this video with your DIY friends and tool lovers, and make sure to subscribe for more Amazon finds, must-have gadgets, and smart tools. Stay creative, stay equipped, and I'll see you in the next one.